I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I am going to be using this lovely glitter called Pocket Watch. It is available at glitterplanetuk.com. You can use my discount code NINJA10 for 10% off. I'll also be using 183, the brown acrylic, and also 190, the yellow acrylic, both from Tone's acrylic products, and also this Glam and Glitz white, whatever the heck that said. Went too fast for me to mention, but I'll have it linked down below for you guys. So I'm starting off, I've already got tips applied to this hand and we're going straight in with the yellow. So I really desperately wanted to do a nice cute sunflower set, and then I thought Pocket Watch glitter will go perfectly with like a mustard kind of yellow and have a nice sunflower on one nail. So I went ahead and did some glitter fades with this beautiful, stunning, like orange, really rich. It's not kind of copper, like it's not a copper, it kind of is, but it isn't. It's more orange, holographic, but it's absolutely stunning. I went ahead and applied the yellow to the tip of the nail, and then we've done a nice glitter fade on the little finger. Moving on to the ring finger, we are going to be doing a full nail using the Glam and Glitz acrylic colour. I did use it a little bit too wet at first, but the second bead was much better. Like, my application with the Glam and Glitz product is getting much better. Like, the more you work with the product, the more you use it, you do become familiar with how it works, and you just get used to the ratio and how to actually use that product. So instead of giving up on something straight away, like if you've bought a new system or if you've tried something and then you're like, it's not really working, it's not for me, keep going, keep practicing. Even if you just use it on the sideline on your own nails or on a practice hand or whatever, if you're not comfortable with clients yet, keep trying for a little while. Don't just give up straight away, because it just takes your mind time to sort of remember how to work with that product, because obviously it's going to be different to the one that you used prior to getting a new system or a new product. So I'm coming in on the next nail and I'm doing the yellow colour at the cuticle area, making sure to tuck it in really nicely around the cuticle and the side walls, not touching any skin, blending that down, and then I'm coming in with Pocket Watch on the tip of the nail, and I'm going ahead and fading that up to the centre of the nail for a nice glitter fall again, just the opposite way around. And then I'll move on to the next nail, and I'm just going to do a full nail of the Pocket Watch glitter, making sure to really get a nice coverage. So I'll just apply some of the glitter with the clear, and then I'll come in and pat some extra glitter in if needed. When I'm doing a full glitter nail, I do like to put a clear base down, and whilst that's still wet, I'll come in with my glitter that I have picked up with a smaller bead of wet acrylic. This just really helps that glitter to stick to the nail, and you're not trying to sort of like get it off your brush and it's not falling everywhere, because it's got something to actually stick to. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the nails. Once I've done that, I'll file them both off of camera, and then I'll be back to add the little 3D details of the sunflower, which is my most favourite part of this set. So for the 3D work, I'm going to be using the number 5 3D brush from Glitter Planet. This brush is the Nail Mate 3D brush, and it is available at glitterplanetuk.com. You can use my code for 10% off. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. So I'm starting off with this brown colour, which I showed at the beginning of the video, and I'm just placing a nice medium bead at the corner of the nail, or wherever you want to place this sunflower. I just decided I wanted it at the top here, sort of like half coming out of the cuticle area. And I'm allowing it to sort of settle and flow, but as it's doing that with the tip of my brush, this 3D brush is bomb because it's got so many uses, like that fine nib point, you've got the wider belly, and it's just absolutely beautiful to work with. I'm just pointing into the acrylic just to create some nice texture and just make it look kind of realistic. Obviously it's not going to look that realistic because my skills are not there yet, but I do plan on practicing those as well. To make that center look nice and textured and keeping the round shape to it as well. So once I'm happy with the center of the sunflower, I can start coming in with my petals, and as you can see I laid down 2 small beads there, draining the liquid off if I needed to, but this brush does hold the liquid really well and you get a nice amount as I don't know how to explain it, but you do get a really nice amount. Like there isn't ever too much liquid on this brush that your product's going to start running all over the place, because with 3D having a bead that is too runny, you're just not going to be able to mold it. It's going to take such a long time to wait for that to then start to set, to then have to move it back around and tidy up. So all I'm doing is a simple petal. I'm placing the yellow bead next to the center of the flower, pressing it out with my bristles of my brush, like laying the brush flat, and then closing up the end of the petal to that point, and it looks absolutely stunning. I was so happy with the final result of this sunflower. Let me know what you guys think down below. Did you absolutely love it or what? Now, I usually do my 3D work over the top of top coat. So now that it's come to the part for top coating, I struggled ever so slightly, because if you've done some beautiful 3D work, by top coating over that, you're just going to destroy all of that delicate detail. It's just going to really wash it out. So I did struggle trying to sort of top coat around it, but it wasn't too bad. I just came in with a detailing brush afterwards to get up in this top corner here. Not a biggie, but just letting you know, I usually do my 3D after top coating, but in this case I did forget. So I'm just applying the top coat. This is a no wipe top coat, and I'll cure in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it was super simple, but I really enjoyed creating it for you guys. If you loved it, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.